guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lisa, and for this month the birthstone was ruby. Someone's watching. The birthstone is ruby, and I came up with this look right here. Exhibit A. I've been dying to do a red look, and it looks good. It looks really good. So without further ado, and with that being said, if you want to see it to get this look, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so first I'm going to start by dipping into this shade right here with my Morphe M441 brush and just shading that all along my crease. Next, I'm taking that same brush and I'm dipping into the shade Jax from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to run that along my crease as well, and I'm going to create a nice blend by just running that a little bit under the first shade. So now I'm still going to be using the same shade. I'm just going to be using the Morphe E17 just to deepen up the look. Using a small concealer brush, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just start carving out my crease. This detail brush from Sigma, I'm going to dip back into Jax, and I'm only using a little bit of product, and I'm just going to keep blending out that crease. I'm going to take this small concealer brush and grab some NYX glitter primer and just start applying that where I'm going to apply the glitter. Now I'm going to take this glitter from Sashas Vanity in the style Leo, and it's so pretty. It's such a pretty red glitter. I love it so much and I've been dying to use it. So you're going to start applying that to your inner corner. Taking that red shade from the Morphe 35B palette, I'm going to go ahead and pack that to the middle of my eyelid. Then I'm going to pick up a little bit of the shade Jax and just start blending that out towards the outer corner of the eye. Then I'm going to grab that detail crease brush from Sigma and just start blending it out. And now I'm going to grab more of that glitter primer on that same little concealer brush, and I'm going to start applying that to the outer corner of my eye. And now apply the last of the glitter to the outer corner, and you should be creating that wing. It's kind of like a reverse halo eye actually, which is pretty cool. go ahead and grab your favorite liquid liner and just start making that wing. For lashes today, I'm going to be using the Koko lashes in the style Goddess. Okay, so I'll be back. I'm going to do my foundation and my whole face will be done. Okay, I'm back and I just did my full face and we're going to go back to finish the eye. Go ahead and smoke out your under eye with the shade Jax and then just apply some bottom mascara and you're just about done. And this is the final look.